shower gels that will lighten your skin, fade dark spots and hyperpigmentation on your skin, give you a brighter and a glowing skin that will make your skin to smell really good. Guys, these shower gels will leave your skin looking vibrant, beautiful, brighter, smoother and flawless. You can use these shower gels without using any body lotion and your skin will still glow. These are lightening shower gels. So guys, if you don't want to lighten your skin, if you're not ready to lighten your skin, like to have a shade or two lighter, do not come near these shower gels because they are actually going to lighten your skin. Okay, I have to be really truthful with you guys. These shower gels are going to lighten your skin. So guys, if you're tired of being so self-conscious of your complexion, if you want to have a radiant lighter skin, and if you're this type that do not like to use body lotion because maybe you feel they make you sweaty or for any reason best known to you, these are the shower gels that you should use, because these shower gels will lighten your skin, they will moisturize and hydrate your skin, fade dark spot, hyperpigmentation, blemishes and leave you looking so refreshed. They will bring out dirt and impurities from your skin and mildly exfoliate you. These are exfoliating shower gels. So guys, if you're ready, let's do this. First shower gel on my list is the SK Blood Orange Blossom Shower Gel. This shower gel contains glutathione, which is a super lightening ingredient. It's so creamy, hydrating and moisturizing. It is formulated to fade dark spot, blemishes and hyperpigmentation on the skin. You have dark knuckles, you have dark spots on your skin, hyperpigmentation, mosquito bite, insect bites that has left dark scars on your skin. This shower gel will help to cleanse that, and this shower gel is so cleansing. It will penetrate deeply into your skin to bring out dirt and impurities. It is also an exfoliating shower gel. Now this means that it will exfoliate you mildly to bring out dead skin cell from your skin and reveal a fresh, beautiful skin for you. This shower gel can be used by all skin type, whether you're oily skin, sensitive skin, combination skin, normal or dry skin. This SK Blossom shower gel is a go-to. You can use this shower gel without using any body lotion. Okay, use the shower gel without using any body lotion. The only thing I will advise that you do is that you should just use a body oil. You can just use a body oil just to have that shine and glitters in you, because this shower gel is an all-in-one shower gel. It will lighten your skin. That's just the truth about it. It will lighten your skin. So if you're not ready to lighten up your skin, just pass, because this shower gel is a lightening shower gel that will lighten your skin and reveal a brighter, even skin complexion. It has anti-aging properties, it has anti-inflammatory and anti-blemishes properties. So guys, if you're looking for something that will brighten your skin without you using a body lotion, the SK Blood Orange Blossom shower gel is one of the lightening shower gel that I would recommend. Okay, alright guys, let's move to the second one. To me, I feel like this second one is the odogu of them all. It is a veetgold amino and glycolic acid shower gel. This shower gel is a whitening shower gel that has triple action. This shower gel will lighten your skin. If you don't want to lighten your skin, do not come near this shower gel because it will lighten your skin. You can use this shower gel without using a body lotion, and guys, your skin will look good. You will smell well, guys. You will smell well. It contains amino acid, which is a derivative of vitamin C. Now we know that vitamin C is so good in lightening. Then glycolic acid is an exfoliating acid that will help to exfoliate your skin because it is an alpha hydroxy acid. Now it will help to exfoliate your skin to reveal a younger, beautiful and a brighter skin because of the amino acid in this lotion. This veetgold amino and the glycolic acid bath gel will help you achieve a smooth skin, a radiant skin. If you have rough and bumpy skin, guys, get this shower gel. You do not need a body lotion. The only thing I will still advise is that you should also get a body oil. For those of us that have like really oily skin, the glycolic acid in this shower gel will help to control the secretion of oil on your skin. So this shower gel will just exfoliate you mildly, cleanse dirt and impurities from your skin, leave your skin looking fresh, beautiful, healthy and rejuvenated. So guys, this veetgold shower gel is one of the shower gels that you should get if you want a lightening shower gel that you can use without using a body lotion. You are good to go. Guys, if you have watched this video up to this point and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to hit the subscription button, like this video, leave a comment and put on your notification bell so that whenever I post you will get to know. Thank you so much. Alright guys, the third shower gel that I have on my list is the CM Golden Glow Intensive Whitening and Exfoliating Shower Gel. This CM Glow Intensive Whitening and Exfoliating Shower Gel is a very good body wash that will bring out dirt and impurities from your skin. It will cleanse you, exfoliate you and leave your skin looking very beautiful. It is also a lightening shower gel. I am always emphasizing this because guys, don't say, oh ma, I bought this shower gel and I'm beginning to look really fair. It will lighten your skin. So if you don't want to lighten your skin, do not come close to this CM Golden Intensive Whitening and Exfoliating Shower Gel. This shower gel will work within 7 days. You will get like a visible result within 7 days of using this shower gel. It contains ingredients like turmeric extract, carrot extract, alpha arbutin, and it also contains some natural whitening ingredients that will help to lighten your skin, give you a fresh looking, even skin complexion. This body wash will target dark spots on your skin. It will reduce the production of melanin and help you to have an even skin tone. So if you want an even skin tone, if you want a shower gel that will fade dark spot, hyperpigmentation, blemishes and give you a radiant glowing skin, choose from any of these ones that I have talked about and you will not regret it, okay? CM Golden Glow Intensive Whitening and Exfoliating Shower Gel is a shower gel that is enriched with very good ingredients. These ingredients will help to lighten your skin, brighten your skin. Carrot extract and turmeric extract, superb ingredient for skin brightening. Then it also contains arbutin, that is alpha arbutin, which is so good for lightening. Then it contains like natural skin lightening ingredient also. So guys, choose from these. These are very good exfoliating shower washes that you can use to have a glowing and a beautiful skin, okay? Alright guys, the fourth one that I'm going to talk about is a Medix 5.5 Glycolic and Lactic acid shower gel. This shower gel contains both glycolic and lactic acid. These are alpha hydroxy acids. It will not only exfoliate your skin, this product will also target dark spots, hyperpigmentation, reduce the production of melanin and give your skin a brighter, even skin complexion. For those of us that do not like body lotions, but if you're one that likes body lotion, very good, you can use your body lotion. But if you do not want a body lotion and you're looking for something that would, you know, glow your skin even without your body lotion, this Medix is one of them. It contains a blend of AHAs like glycolic acid, lactic acid, salicylic acid. It also contains amino acid. These are very powerful blends that will help to rejuvenate your skin, blend your skin, give your skin an even skin complexion, lighten you, make you look so beautiful and have a healthy skin. And lastly guys, and of course not the least, I'm going to talk about the Nivea Love Moment Shower Gel. This Nivea Love Moment Shower Gel is the cheapest amongst the 5 shower gels that I've talked about. But guys, the fact that it is cheap does not mean that it doesn't work. This shower gel is sold for just 5,000 naira and it is a very good shower gel. It contains vitamin C. Now this shower gel will brighten your skin. If you want something that will brighten your skin and you're low on cash, maybe you're a student, you don't have much like that, and I understand how the economy is, guys, go for this Nivea Love Moment Shower Gel. If you're not the type that loves vitamin C, you can get the Nivea Aloe Fresh Shower Gel. This one contains natural aloe vera. It is also a very good shower gel and it is specifically for those that has dry sensitive skin. So if you have dry sensitive skin, this aloe fresh shower gel will be good on you because of the aloe vera that it contains. It will help to refresh your skin, hydrate your skin, and give you a beautiful glowing skin. Here you have it, guys. These are my top 5 lightening shower gel that you can use without necessarily using a body lotion, and it will really give you the results that you deserve. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do well to hit the subscription button. Remember, in skincare, consistency and patience is key. Thank you so much and have a fantastic time. Bye.